In this video, I'll guide you through how to uninstall Protonmail Bridge from your computer if you've been using Protonmail Bridge to connect your encrypted email to a desktop client but don't need it anymore, or you're doing some cleanup or troubleshooting. Removing it is quick and simple. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to click, and I'll also give you a few tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to open the search bar on your computer. On most Windows systems, you'll find this at the bottom left of your screen near the Start button. If you see a text box that says type here to search, that's it. If you just see a small magnifying glass icon, you can click that once to open the search field. You can also press the Windows key on your keyboard and simply start typing. Any of these options will bring up the search area where you can look for apps installed on your computer. Once your search bar is open, start typing Proton Bridge. You don't usually have to type the full name. Once you've entered the first few letters, your system should begin showing matching results. Look for the Protonmail Bridge application in the list that appears. It might show up under Best Match or under Apps, depending on your version of Windows. Take a moment to make sure it's the actual Protonmail Bridge app and not a file or folder with a similar name. When you see Protonmail Bridge in the search results, you'll want to access the uninstall option. The simplest way to do this is to right-click the Protonmail Bridge entry. After you right-click, a small menu should appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Uninstall. On some systems, you might see Uninstall listed directly, and on others, you might first be taken to the Apps and Features or Programs section of your settings, where Protonmail Bridge will already be highlighted. Click the Uninstall option. If a confirmation window appears asking if you're sure you want to remove Protonmail Bridge, go ahead and confirm. Windows may also ask for permission to make changes to your device. This is normal for uninstalling software, so you can approve that prompt. The uninstaller will then run and remove Protonmail Bridge from your system. While the uninstall process is running, try not to close any related windows until it completes. It usually only takes a few moments. When it's done, the window will close or show a message indicating that the process has finished. At this point, Protonmail Bridge should be removed from your computer. If you want to double check, you can go back to the search bar and type Proton Bridge again. If nothing shows up as an installed app, that means it's been successfully uninstalled. That's all there is to it. You've now removed Protonmail Bridge using the built-in Windows search and uninstall tools.